Today I want to show you how to make a classroom banner for your Google Classroom. This could be used to match a Bitmoji Classroom theme that you've created, or to use a specialized font or logo that you've made for your class, so everything is easily recognizable by students and parents. The first thing you'll notice is that the slide I've created is rectangular. And to do that, you'll go to File, Page Setup, click down to Custom, and the proper ratio is 10 inches by 2.5 inches. This matches the ratio of 1,000 pixels by 250 pixels, and you'll hit Apply. To get those trendy backgrounds, you click on Slide, drop down, change the background. You'll go to Image, and then you can either upload something, you can use a camera, you can look on Google Drive if you have a logo or specialized whatever you've already made. Today I'm just going to use a Google image search for white shiplap since that's so trendy. I'm going to click on the image I like, hit Insert, and now you can see that the shiplap has covered the background in its entirety. I don't want this text box, so I've deleted it. I just clicked on it and deleted it. That's because Google Classroom already has text, like your class code. You can add a Google Meet code, etc. The other thing I want to add today is just something that says welcome, since it's the beginning of the school year. I want to go to Insert Image, and I can search the web, and then you'll see the search bar pops up. You can hit Welcome Back, you can hit Welcome, whatever you want or like. You can kind of peruse the images. I'm just going to go to Welcome and see what I see. I like this chalkboard one, and I've actually used this one. You can see that the white background behind the heart doesn't jive with my shiplap background. So you can actually change the shape of your image. So up here I can do anything to my image. And this is the crop image, but I don't want to crop it. I'm going to go to Mask. And I can take a shape. There happens to be a heart here. You can see my line kind of tightening up around the heart that's in the image. So now it's less obvious that I've taken this and adjusted it for my purposes. You don't really notice the white outline. The last thing I want to do is just put my face in the Google Classroom so parents know immediately that it's my class and not a sibling's class, and so that they see my face. You could use a picture here. I'm going to use a Bitmoji so it ties in with everything else I've been doing. I just clicked on my Bitmoji. I'm going to save it real quick. It pops up unnamed. That's fine. I just need to be able to access it down here in the corner. So now I can go, Insert. And again, I'm going to insert an image, but this time I'm going to upload it from my computer. I just grab the picture that I put onto my desktop real quick. You can see it appeared really tiny. I'm going to play with that a little bit. Hopefully. Okay, so that's good enough. And then I can again mask this if I really wanted to. I could put it here. I can make it a circle. That way it looks nice and clean.